start off with is chopping of the veggies. I cut these up into bite-sized pieces. Break them up so that they fit better in the tacos. Vegetable broth. So it's 6 of these. Our favorite hot sauce. God, we're eating this. Oh, no. Well, there you can eat it too, but a tablespoon of lime juice. Should have done the fresh lime, but went to the grocery store and I forgot. You know. Sure. So we need a half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika of chili powder. Official measurement of salt. Well, as of right now, the one with the handle. So we'll toss this in. 20 minutes. Perfect. Now we're only going to take about a quarter of this. Just going to cut this core out. Sticks or matchsticks, and that's what this one calls for. This is a pretty simple dressing. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. There. And then I'll turn it on its side.
That's what I want. Very technical here. Very technical.
A little bit of cumin and a little bit of garlic.
And usually if something if a recipe says, you know, 2 cloves of garlic, I'm like, yeah, 2 cloves to start.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do that because I'm
That's not even close. Teaspoon, like, that's a lot of it. So, a little bit of salt in there.
a little bit of salt. Okay, so well, before that comes out, we're gonna take our dressing here for our coleslaw. Mix it. All right, you mix it. Oh, that smells amazing.
Oh, okay, now.
Little bit of the cheese. And this is the chili and lime cauliflower taco.